Hello, friends. I hope everyone is doing well, and everyone would be planning their weekend after 1 week of market. Before starting with the learning video, some updates. So we have updated about IEX chart and Technofunda analysis video in the month of June. So at that time, price was around 376, and abhi jo hai wo price had touched 700 almost. So possibly it is around 90%, 90 returns to the investors or the traders, and the risk also was very less in this trade. And those who took position based on these particular learning videos, so very good and well and good for them. And so this is the like we only focus on the chart which generally gives good return in short term, and mostly it is on the basis of breakout or support and resistance and price action as well. So हम सिर्फ वही फोकस करते हैं. We get a good returns as well. In the past also there are many charts जहाँ पे हमें अच्छा रिटर्न मिला है in some stock, जैसे इंडिया ग्लाइकोल्स हो गया, and then Delta Corp, everything. So you can you can watch all the videos in this channel, and you can also learn about how to do a techno funda analysis video of funda analysis of any stock, and stock कैसे pick करते हैं, and how to write the profit in that particular stock. So you can join us in this mission, and you can definitely learn everything. You can watch all the videos if you want. So this is all about the update. So currently I have tweeted something in the evening, जो कि ये था basically the एक country का जो chart है, basically it is looking very good, and the index had corrected by almost 30% in short term, and technically also it is showing a sign of reversal, and possibly we can see a bull market there as well. So हम अभी उस चार्ट के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, एंड बिफोर दैट वी विल स्टडी एक और चार्ट जिससे हम उसको कोरिलेट कर सकते हैं. सो द पहले हमारा जो चार्ट है वो बेसिकली निफ्टी स्मॉल कैप का है, एंड जनरली आई फॉलो प्राइस, एंड जहाँ पे प्राइस रिटेस्ट कर रहा है आफ्टर ब्रेकआउट, सो दैट इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग साइन टू बाय अ पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक और द इंडेक्स, एंड वहां से जब भी रिटेस्ट करके इट गोज अप, देन योर रिस्क इज ऑल्सो वेरी लो एंड यू गेट अ गुड रिवॉर्ड. अभी यहाँ पे जैसे निफ्टी स्मॉल कैप में इसका जो ऑल टाइम हाई लेवल था, इट वाज इन जनवरी 2018, एंड ये लेवल को इसने यहाँ पे ब्रेक किया इन ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 years के बाद, विच इज इन May 2021. एंड इसके बाद ये ब्रेकआउट देने के बाद इट वेंट अप, एंड नाउ इट रीटेस्टेड दैट लेवल यहाँ पे, एंड आफ्टर रीटेस्टिंग इट हैड वेंट अप अगेन. सो अगर हम रिटर्न्स देखें इन दिस टर्म, जब ये रिटेस्ट कर रहा था, सो बेसिकली अगर हम रिटर्न्स देखें तो इट इज अराउंड 17% रिटर्न्स इन शॉर्ट टर्म. And also I have updated about this chart on our on the Twitter and Telegram, so you can check that out, and I will share the link as well. So this was a good trade that we have seen for small cap. Now similar pattern is seen in that particular index as well, and जहाँ पे वो retest कर रहा है basically. So this अभी हम index के बारे में discuss करेंगे, and it is China A50, which is Chinese stock market का index. And many would say many would hate this particular thing, but for the learning purpose you can definitely look at this, not for investment, but you can learn from this particular video how to do analysis and for the broader index and everything, but instead of like worrying about anything, and so you can just check it out. So यहाँ पे जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं, जो चाइना की मार्केट है वो यहाँ से फ्रॉम 2015 कंसोलिडेट कर रहा था, एंड ये जो रेड लाइन है इट इज रेजिस्टेंस, एंड ये जो लाइन है सपोर्ट है बेसिकली फॉर चाइनीज मार्केट. अभी यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पे इसने ब्रेकआउट दिया था इन जुलाई 2020, एंड ब्रेकआउट देने के बाद इफ यू सी द रिटर्न्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ परसेंटेज, तो फिर it is almost 40% returns for the in short term for a particular for Chinese market. And अगर हम देखें तो अभी because of some events, some news, man-made news and everything, the market had corrected by almost 30%, not 40, but yeah, if you see it is around 30% correction in Chinese market. And surprisingly जो चाइना का मार्केट है, it is trading at lower levels compared to the world market, which is US का market, Brazil market, India market. So all these market are trading at all time high, but जो चाइना मार्केट है वो अपने लोअर लेवल पे ट्रेड कर रहा है currently. And many people are expecting corrections and everything, opportunity, those who have missed their bus in Indian market and everything. So they can track Chinese market for the short term because इसने अच्छा खासा correction दिखा दिया already. And अगर हम फिबोनाची रिट्रेसमेंट भी लगाए इसमें, so this was one particular uptrend जो हमें देखने को मिला basically in China, Chinese market, so A50 index में. एंड अगर हम फिबोनाची रिट्रेसमेंट भी लगाए इसमें, तो ये जो ब्लू लाइन है विच इज 61.8% लेवल, सो इसने एग्जैक्टली यहीं पे अभी सपोर्ट लिया है. So 61.8% level is very important for any stock chart or price, because if the price breaks below 61.8% level, then we can expect some downtrend in that particular stock or in that particular index. But यहाँ पे जैसे हम देख रहे हैं 61.8% का जो लेवल है उसको होल्ड किया है, एंड पॉसिबली वी कैन सी अ गुड अप मूव एज वेल इन दिस पर्टिकुलर इंडेक्स. सो यू कैन एक यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट है, एंड द सेकंड सपोर्ट जो हमें देखने को मिल रहा है करंटली, सो इट इज दिस पर्टिकुलर रेड लाइन. यहाँ पे जो रेजिस्टेंस था फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर इंडेक्स, यहाँ पे उसने अभी रीटेस्ट किया है बेसिकली अगर हम देखें. सो इट इज अ रीटेस्ट फॉर इन द जो सपोर्ट जो रेजिस्टेंस लाइन था पहले, अभी जो सपोर्ट लाइन बन चुका है उस पर वो रिटेस्ट कर रहे हैं करंटली. तो बेसिकली जो रिस्क है हमारा यहाँ पे वो भी कम है. सेकंड थिंग इज फिबोनाची का रिट्रेसमेंट इज आल्सो एट सेम लेवल. एंड अगर हम देखें इस पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न को ऑन डेली टाइम फ्रेम चार्ट, सो करंटली अब ओपन वीकली टाइम फ्रेम, बट हमें अब डेली चार्ट टाइम फ्रेम अगर ओपन करेंगे इसमें, so the yellow line, it is the resistance for this particular stock, and today's candle had closed above this yellow line, which means that there is a good breakout in this particular index जो हमें आज देखने को मिला. सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज ये जो है डबल ट्रिपल बॉटम पैटर्न बनाया बेसिकली. यहाँ पे एक बॉटम है, यहाँ पे सेकंड बॉटम, एंड यहाँ पे थर्ड बॉटम. सो यहाँ पे ट्रिपल बॉटम बना है एट द सेम लेवल, एंड अभी इसने यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट दिया है. सो व्हाट कैन बी शॉर्ट टर्म टारगेट for this particular index? We will see using the range calculation. So I will just add this range above the resistance line. So the first target है वो around 17,000 का है, which is around the same this resistance line. यहाँ पे जो ये level है 17,000 का जो first target है, and second target will be this particular level, and third target will be this particular level. So these are the three targets that one can look for in this particular price and index में. And जो target है वो 17,000 है, second target is 17,700, and third target is 18,600. So these are the three targets that one can look for in short term. And यहाँ पे भी जो है currently अच्छा खासा breakout भी दिया है, and possibly we might see a good uptrend. और जो हमारा stop loss रहेगा वो it will be at this particular level, which is 14,800. 40,800 will be a stop loss, and यहाँ से अगर हम देखें तो it is around 1,000 points का difference, and यहाँ से जो हम reward देखें वो around 1,100 का है. तो basically first target के लिए risk reward is 1:1, and risk बहुत कम है. So you will be getting a good trade opportunity in this particular market. Now the important question is how to trade in China market. So some of them would be having access to Chinese equity market directly, and they can directly buy or sell stocks. So one can do that. Second is you can buy there are two mutual funds basically, Edelweiss Greater China and Axis Greater China Fund. So these two funds are the mutual funds through which investor can get access, can get exposure to Chinese market. So you can buy that particular fund as well. These are basically funds of fund. To Edelweiss का जो market fund है, it is managed by, it is investing in JP Morgan fund, and जो Axis का है, it is investing in Schrodinger fund something. So you can check that as well, and it is a fund of fund. So basically it is investing some other fund which is directly having exposure to Chinese market. So this is the two methods that one can use, directly through Chinese mutual fund. And the third would be जिसको China से those who hate this thing China, so particularly they can skip investing nothing, they don't invest in India, because India will also rise, so you can continue to invest in India. And but definitely you can watch this particular video only from learning perspective, instead of waiting a troll or anything. But you can focus on that as well. So यहाँ पे भी हम देखें तो अच्छी opportunity, and I myself is having good exposure in this particular in both the mutual funds. I am not investing direct into equities, so I have bought some mutual funds of China market. So this is the disclaimer that I have, and so this is all about the today's technical analysis video of China of this particular index, which is giving a good opportunity for investors or traders. So you can check this out. Also, you can subscribe to our channel, and आपको अगर इस वीडियो से कुछ भी सीखने मिला हो, so you can like this video and also subscribe to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Also, there is a disclaimer. Also, you can follow us on Twitter and Telegram. These are the IDs where I am regularly updating about market. And there's a disclaimer also with this video. And one more disclaimer: like investing in other country is risky, so definitely to consult a financial advisor as well. And it's not important to buy or sell anything that I am sharing. So you can do your own due diligence as well before buying and selling. So all this is, so that's it about for today's video. Thank you guys.